Good morning everyone. Slide discussion. The history given to us was 30-year-old female with inguinal lymph node. This was a slide given to us. This is a HNE scanner view. Section studied shows dilated perinodal lymphatics amidst which filarial worm is seen. This is a low power view. Here we could see cross section of the gravid worm showing internal organs. Surrounding tissue is showing inflammatory infiltrate. This is a high power view having cross section of the worm showing internal organs. In this slide also, cut section of the gravid worm is clearly seen. Hence the diagnosis is filariasis, filaria of the lymph node. Introduction. Lymphatic filariasis is caused by nematode Wucheria bancrofti. Epidemiology. Lymphatic filariasis affects over 120 million people in 73 countries. It is endemic in the tropics and subtropics of Asia, Africa, Western Pacific and parts of Caribbean and South America. Sites. It mostly affects the legs. Can also occur in arms, breast, genitalia, lymph nodes. Microfilaria have been reported in multiple aspiration sites, cervicovaginal smears, urine, bronchial washings and effusions. Now let's see the life cycle of it. First, the bite from an infective mosquito introduces infective filarial larvae into the human skin. Second, they penetrate into the bite wound to reach the lymphatics, where they reside and develop into the adults. The adults produce microfilariae that actively move through the lymph and blood channels. The mosquito injects the filariae during a blood meal, and after ingestion, the microfilariae develop into an infective larvae through a 3-stage process inside the mosquito. The third stage infective larvae migrate through the mosquito's proboscis and can infect another human when the mosquito takes a blood meal. So this completes the life cycle. Now coming to the key diagnostic feature. In the first figure we could see microfilaria of Wucheria bancrofti. Here it is sheathed and no nuclei is seen in the tip of the tail. 90% of the lymphatic filariasis is caused by Wucheria bancrofti. In the second picture we could see Brugia malai. It is sheathed and 2 distinct nuclei in the tip of the tail is seen. Third is Loa loa. It is sheathed and nuclei extending to the tip of the tail. Now the fourth is the microfilaria of the Onchocerca volvulus. Fifth is Manzanella perstans. Sixth Manzanella ozardi and seventh Manzanella streptocerca. Thank you.